I'll say it anyway. All right. Alibaba time. Hold up. I'm gonna put some music on for me. Okay, let's start. So today I'm doing Alibaba. It's one of my biggest positions. I won't disclose how big, but I do. I will definitely have bias in this position. I hope I don't when I'm actually like estimating the future growth. But just a disclosure, I do have a huge position in this company. Well, relative to my portfolio, that is. Earnings come out tomorrow for Q4, I think. So that's going to be an interesting thing to look at. I'm excited. I'm going to wake up super early tomorrow, listen to their earnings call and the the financials tomorrow morning. It's going to be like 7:30 or something. I think they're doing the call. Well, let's see how that goes. Nervous but excited, but I mean I'm also long term, so I don't really care what happens quarter over quarter. So let's get into it. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna start with the. I know the basics of the company, how it works, but I still want to review for myself personally to get a better idea of the company's inner workings. I'm also gonna be eating dinner, like noodles, Maggie for those who know. Just letting some people know. All right. Okay. What do we actually care about in this? So let me actually take notes as well. Should I take notes on Word or should I take notes on iPad? I'm gonna take notes on Word. Makes it easier for me. All right, Alibaba. I'm gonna take notes on a different screen, but just so y'all know, I'm gonna show this from time to time and see how that goes. Okay. I do have a list of companies I'm gonna look at later at a later point in time. I just took out a list. Advanced search. I'm gonna go back to this. Cool. I'm gonna look at that later. Okay, so Alibaba. Actually, I'm gonna open this just. Cool. Okay, Alibaba. What do we actually care about? 10K. Let's look at mission page 2. Our mission. Our vision, page 3. Our vision. So let's get a better idea of that. Don't care much about this. Key events. Let's look at page 8. Page 8. That's odd. Yeah. second. There it is. That's better. Oh, baby, so I'm letting you know. So key events. Alibaba numbers, page 10. Alibaba and numbers. I'm thinking to learn more about the understanding the balance sheet, balance sheet analysis of a company's financials. I still haven't learned that too well, so I'm really excited in learning about that. I'm gonna learn in like the couple of weeks. All right, page 21. 21. Number of business overview. Senior directors, I'm gonna look at. MD&A is 114. I mean, I'm just gonna actually copy paste this and see which one I want to keep. Oh, baby, letting you know, to the world. What's up, Time Eclipser? How you doing, man? How you doing? It's been a while. I'm joking. How you doing? Let me bring this down right here. How you doing, buddy? Time Eclipser, damn. Wait, you've not been on this account for a while. I haven't seen that logo in a hot minute. I'm chilling. It's not super busy today. How was your day? Like, what's up with that logo, bro? It was like your main logo. It's been so long since I've seen that. Still though, girl. Alright, I'm gonna keep this on the side. So, okay, just to let you know, I'm studying Alibaba today. It's my largest investing position. Earnings come out tomorrow, so I'm like super nervous. Yeah, I remember that. It's like, God, yeah, you're known for that logo. You were known for that logo back in the Discord server years. What was it? My summer before high school, I think. You started the Discord. I remember going to like Georgia Tech's summer camp for physics, bro. I cannot do that shit again. Never. That's why I'm buying it, boy. That's why I'm buying it. That's why I love companies that don't do the stocks that don't do well, but the companies that do great. So earnings come out tomorrow. Super excited. That's why you buy low and sell high. You see where that comes from? That was a very good server. So what do I want to see? Our mission. Well, okay. Oh, 2024. Okay, we're looking for this tomorrow then. I'm gonna make a note of that. Wait, hold up. Yes, somewhat, maybe. I don't know. Well, I'm owning this for the very long term. I've been owning this stock for the past year. I think this is like December 2021. So 2024, right? So what they're trying to do is serve about 1 billion consumers, or 10 trillion annual consumption. That's good. What's China's current consumer GDP? China, GDP, consumer spending. Only 6 trillion? Dude, it is interesting. Amazon does not make any money from their e-commerce, whereas Alibaba's e-commerce revenue is like 77% of their total revenue. Yeah, I think total income is like 77% of their revenue. China consumer spending for 20. Okay, I want to see this. Hold up. Macro trends, right? I want to get some data because they said they want to get 10 trillion through their platform. Consumer consumption. So I want to see how they're doing. What's it? 38 trillion. Team Beast mode. Hello. It's been a while. Yeah, so China's GDP is 18 trillion. Their consumption is 38% of their total. So, what is interesting here? Bro, this has been like so long. This is like back when I was like streaming Zoms. Beast mode is from back then. Excuse me. All right. Nominal GDP is 4.7 trillion. Wait, no, what? It is 12,000. Wait, that does not make sense. 400 billion. 4 trillion? Wait, China GDP. $17 trillion. Yeah. I was like, that's something's off there. I don't know where they got these numbers from. Billion in USD. That is so weird. I'm gonna try. Oh. 4.7 trillion USD is their consumption. Current consumption. Dang. Zom still? Yeah, I haven't touched that game like since I stopped streaming. Current consumption in China. China is at 4.7 trillion. Whoa, that's an interesting goal. Yeah. Yeah, time's been here since the very day one. Like, very day one. What was the... Hello! Dang, only Yossi's here, too. Dang, the whole squad's here. This is crazy. Okay. So, that's funny. That is so funny. Yeah, I changed the name. Yeah, I changed the name. This is more of an investing channel now, I'm gonna put the music down. I'm gonna like listen to like Taylor Swift for like the 2 minutes. Yeah. Alright, time. I'll see you later. Hope you have a good day. Good night. Have a good night's sleep, buddy. I'll keep in touch. So 4.7 trillion, and their goal is for just with their platform to do consumption of 10 trillion. That's interesting. And serve more than 1 billion consumers. Yep, that makes sense. The hell's DMCA? Wait. Oh. Yes. What about the DMCA, buddy? What about it? Tell me about it. Only go, Steve. What you want from it? Okay. Don't care much about this. I want to look at. Okay, I want to look at page 6. Okay. Yeah, it's BABA Gesture still on Discord. You can find me on there. Mr. Market's not gonna be changed on Discord. BABA Gesture is like the go-to still. Yeah. Okay. I've been listening it to in my ear. This has not been on the stream. It's just been in my ear. I've been just listening to it, so I don't get taken down. Just for my entertainment. Um. Yeah. What happened here? 2022. Okay. That's fine. This is about a year old news. Okay. Events, Alibaba numbers, page 10. This is page 10. Ecosystem, 8.3 billion RMB. It's about 1.3 billion in total ecosystem, 1.2 billion in just gross smart, what, GMB. Hold up, what's GMB? Frick. GMB. So how you doing, Team Beast Mode? How you doing? How's life? Gross merchandise volume. Okay. Taobao. Okay, 1 billion over the big guys, and then international is Lazada, AliExpress, and okay, got it. Excuse me, I'm just eating food as well. Letter from chairman, page 14. Where's that at? Every year I look forward to the opportunity to share my thoughts. Got you. Be confident means okay, as long as the macro trends are clear and definite, we are confident solid foundation existing. Okay. Particular lens says okay, we need to find Alibaba's path within the context of major trends, the macroeconomic cycle. Consumption, cloud computing. Okay, this is important. Primary strategies. Consumption, cloud computing, and globalization. They want to expand. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, so I don't care much about that letter. It's like a year old information. What I do care about is the basic structure of the company. And that's going to be on business overviews, page 21. Okay. Scroll through it though. Okay, so China. The Health Sun Art. Yeah, that's in one that they recently acquired last year. Okay. They have a big logistics and a big cloud. I think logistics is gonna be there. What's up? Only go see. What's up? What's up? Shoot your question. Logistics is gonna be primarily there. Globalization. Logistics. Cloud is gonna be cloud, and then it's gonna be e-commerce. Got it. Page 21. Okay, let's look at this actually. I'm waiting for the question. Okay. Business overview. There we are. How do watch hours work with streams on YouTube? That's a good question. I don't know. I mean, I'm not doing it that much for the views. I'm just doing it for my record of the future. If I were to ever look back to my analysis of, my stock analysis. Maybe every minute someone watches your stream, that's added to a minute. I don't know. Why? Why do you ask? It's got China commerce, retail. Our China commerce retail business primarily includes Taobao, world's largest digital retail for 12 months, according to analysts. Taobao deals with offers. Got you. Have you decided your game? Taobao and Tmall. Okay, so for their... Okay. Dang, that's gonna be fun. I'm excited for that video. China commerce retail. I'm gonna knock out 2 levels within my next video. Got it. It's taking way too long. Okay. How many levels are there in total? Have you decided any other games you might play after Glitch Attraction? Includes Taobao, Tmall. Let me break this down. Which offers consumers value for money products. Together, primarily considered as the largest. Okay. We also have Tao Chai. Tao Sai Sai. Tao Sai Sai. Taobao offers value for money. Next day grocery pickup. Sales percent include consumer experience and creator and include Tmall supermarket. Okay. 60% of revenue. Got it. Actually, let's go to financials. I'll get back to this. Financial statements, 294. This is cash flows. It did provide free cash flow, I think. They do provide free cash flow, I think. I'm going to look into that in a minute as well. So let's look at this. That was down a lot. I don't know why, but that was down a lot. Okay, let's look at this. Excuse me. Revenue, cost of revenue is almost like 60. Well, about 60%, I think. 25. 13, 14%. 14 times. How many? 14 times. 56, 60%. Yeah, 56%, I think. Okay, this grew a good amount in 22. What we're looking for is some big numbers tomorrow. This is gonna be like, what's that? 134,000 million. That's like 134 billion USD. I think it's currently trading at like 230. 250. It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I would like to buy some more at this time. 20% down, bro. This is the time to buy. Holy damn, this is beautiful. Okay, pullback. Will we see a pullback below this? I hope not. I think it's gonna start to pick up right here. Pick up and then I don't know. I'm just playing around. That's the hope. I mean, plus I won't sell like right here either. I would sell like years. Unless I need money to invest in something better, you know. Okay. Back to the financials. Let's look at the okay. I want to look at revenues. Because they do have like broken down revenue segments. That'll make it easier for me to get a better idea of. Okay, there it is. International commerce, local consumers, signal. Okay, so that's their. Got it. Okay, so they got China commerce. Then they got international commerce, local consumer services, Xian, Yao, Cloud, digital, media, entertainment. That's our worst one, I think. I'm not even gonna consider it. Entertainment and innovation. Innovation and long shots. Like Google's innovation and long shots. So let's look at this. This is very interesting. This is what I was wanting to look at. Okay, so China commerce was almost most of the revenue, about 6 over 8. That's about 425, 30, 25, 75% of their 77% of their revenue. Maybe like 67 actually. What's it at? 592 over 592 over 853. 69%. Ooh, I'm joking. 69% of their revenue comes from China commerce. Income is, I want to look at their gross. Okay. That's their income from operations. That's their profit margin. They're losing money on everything else, but I think they're losing less money year over year. In cloud, I don't know about this. I want to see. Okay, I want to see their margin change. There it is. This is what I want to look at too. Okay. Okay, 67% of revenue comes from cloud retail. 2% comes from commerce retail, and commerce wholesale is 2%. 4%. It's changing year over year. Cloud, 8%, 8%, 9%. That's a good growth. I mean, that's somewhat good growth. 2014. Okay. 4, 5, 20. They almost doubled over 2 years. That's almost, yeah, that's about 40% CAGR. I don't know. CAGR. I want to do a CAGR calculation. Hold up. CAGR calculator. It makes it easier for me to see how they're compounding their cash. Let's see. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. They're at 46, 107, and this is at 3. 27%. Oh yeah, I mean, they doubled over. No, wait. 2. %. That's a pretty good guess. I had no idea. So it would be 44%. I said 40. Okay. Okay. Cloud is going pretty good. I want to see their expenses at this. They're being very redundant on these specific things. I want to look at their expenses. How their expenses are growing year over year. Revenues. Didn't we just see that like 2 minutes ago? Revenue. I want to look at expenses, boy. Show me the expenses at. %, cost of revenue. This is growing year over year. I do not like that. This is all growing as a percent of revenue every single year. Except for, okay, they're being more efficient in their general and administrative expenses. That's a good thing. But they're cheap. Their relative advantage to get cheap products and sell them super cheap is losing to the market. Goodwill is like 3. Income from operations is 8. Only 8 million? Oh, 8% revenue. Wait, no way. Their operating margin? Whew, I do not like that. What the hell? From 18 to 13 to 8. 6%. Okay, that's fine. Bro, where the hell are the expenses at? Okay, cost of inventories, logistics, expenses associated with operations. Show me like broken down expenses. Cost of revenue. What? Their gross margin shot up. What? Cost of revenue. I want to see this. Yeah, something doesn't make sense here. What? This is for the quarter? No, this is 5725. year. Why are they all super different? Oh. Therefore, it indicates the analysis share-based compensation expense by the function of the period indicator. Oh, that makes sense. But as for this, that's 539. Okay. Yeah, that went down primarily because SG&A. No wait, sales and marketing. Sales and marketing increased the most. What was that growth on that? 119.8. 119.8 over 81.519. That's 46% growth in sales and marketing. Whereas cost of revenue grew 539 over 421. That's 28%. Yeah, sales and marketing. I want to see why sales and marketing. Okay. Doesn't tell me much. We have Taobao, constituting the world's largest retail. Have Cook brands. During the cleaner. That doesn't tell me much. Online and offline. I guess what they are trying to do at this point is primarily get a new consumer. I think their price to gain one consumer has gone up dramatically. I mean, that's what it says. That's not what I think. It's fact. Service compensation, expense. Okay. Wait, no. Okay. Salaries, benefits, share-based compensation, expense, and employee engagement, sales and marketing functions. Okay. Wait, I want to see this actually. That stayed the same, so they didn't pay their employees much in that sense. What? Percentage of revenue. Huh. That's interesting. How much did revenue grow? 539 over 450. That's cost. 592. Nope. 853 over 717. So that's like 19%. That's nowhere close to the 46% jump in. What's this? Sales and marketing. 119.8. 119.8 over 853.062. That's 14%. Why would they say it's only 11%? Oh, because I'm looking at the middle one, not the right one. I'm dumb. There it is. That's what I was looking for. 10, 11, and 14. That's a pretty big jump. I want to see more information on this. That didn't grow, or grew. Including share-based compensation. Expense included in sales and... Wait, hold up. Share-based compensation expense included in SNMA. Huh? What? Oh, I think that's primarily for general share-based compensation expenses. This is for everything else. Okay. 47% from, okay. In fiscal year without the effects of share-based compensation as a percent of revenue increase from okay. We expect our sales and will increase in absolute amounts. We increase as a percentage of revenue as we continue to invest in marketing and promotion. Okay. That's interesting. Sales and marketing expense consists primarily of offline and online advertising expense promotion. How many expenses the cost of producing advertisement at time production occurs? Expense. Okay. Okay, so I guess that will increase year over year. We can't do much about that. Test. Oh, 1 point. Times 1.44. Huh. What about turning that as 1 and sending that 2 and that's 2. So it's 1 point. Wait, what? 1.4142 times 1.4142. That's how close it'll get. It's funny. Okay. So let's look at current operations. I'm gonna look at their expenses. But what's their current revenue at? Hold up. Let's open up Excel just to get a better example of what their revenue stands today. Let's look at 2022 revenue. 2023. Wait, actually 2022 Q1. Actually, first half. 2022 Q3 total. Total 2022. Put this in perspective relative to what the heck? Relative to 2021, 2020, and was it 2019 that they were showing? Revenue, I want to see this. Revenue. I'm gonna look at expenses. That's gonna help me there faster. Okay, we have 2020, 2019, and 2022, and then Q3, I guess, 2023. 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 first half, 2023 Q3, 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 estimated Q4. So let's expand this. Oh no, hold on. Expand this out. Okay. So we got revenue of 509, 509, 771, 717, 289, 853, 6062, and then 2023 first half we came out to 6 months ended 412731. So we're already doing better than. Wait, what? I'm gonna shoot someone. I'm joking. This is not true. I'm just pissed at myself. No, wait. 2019, 2020, 2022, 2022, 2022, and then Q4, and then total 2022 is 2021. They're just numbers that are messed up. 6 months ended 2022. 412731. 731. How did we do Q3? Quarterly Q3. Press release. And that's not something I want to read. The heck? Webcast. No, not webcast. Hold up. Transcript. Well, actually, no, not that either. Actually, maybe. Nope, I don't want to read through that right now. I did watch it. I did listen to it live. Presentation maybe might help. Okay. Yep, that definitely helps. 3 months ended. So we got total revenue at 207,167, 176, 207, 176 equals sum. This is what? 207. I'm gonna bold all. Actually, I'm gonna bold all this out, and I'm gonna bold this out. So current difference in revenue between equal minus actually equals this minus that. Actually, no. Hold up. What happened? Equals this minus that comes out to. What is happening? Equals this minus that. Comes out to 233. And how are their usual Q4s at? How are their usual Q4s? I want to see that. Q4 presentation 2020 Q4. Okay. I want to see their regular Q4s. 20. Their usual Q4s are better than their I think their Q4 than their previous one, and usually per quarter. 3 months ended. Where's their total revenue at? Prefer seeing data tables. There it is. Total revenue 221. 61. Damn! Holy shit! They made. Huh? Oh, that's their EBITDA. I'm like, what? 221. That's usually. Wait, this is Q4. This is December. From what I see, how are they growing over here? Over close. I want to see those equals over. This would have made it easier if I just put basic Q 2022 Q 2 2022 Q1. Remove that out. Then get Q1 results of Q1 and Q2 results of. This is going to be Q1. Oh, that's interesting. Wait, is that usually normal? Yeah, so we're not going to get full Q4 results tomorrow. But we should get the whole year's results tomorrow. So no one will report tomorrow, unfortunately. That sucks. Wait, no. Yeah, no, not tomorrow. How much is my laptop at? It's like 8%. I'm going to have to leave soon. Yeah, Q1 presentation. 3 months ended. Let's see revenue at total revenue 2022 is 204,052. 204,052. Q2 is looking at presentation total revenue 205,555. 205,555. So actually they're growing pretty well year over year. Equals quarter over quarter. Wait, what the heck? What am I even doing? Equals over what? This. What? What? Over that. There we go. That's like minuscule growth. I'd stay pretty consistent. That's what it is. This doesn't matter. Considering Baidu's lack of growth, but that would mean if the revenue stays flat the whole year, this year, that means they're gonna have to equals ABS equals absolute why aren't those okay, I think I missed absolute. No, I'm just gonna do 2, 3, 6, 2, 7, 9. That's how much growth is that? That's a 14% growth from the last quarter. Do I expect to see 14% growth from the last quarter? I don't know. How much are their earnings to be expected? NASDAQ, I think, had some numbers for that. Yeah, they said relatively flat earnings per share. Some growth. Q3 last year was 1.37. So that's I mean, it shouldn't really matter in the long term. But you know, my investors are asking for their returns. So it's a big jump, actually. Okay, let's see how it goes tomorrow. Let's give it a reasonable and then see equals times 1 plus 1.07. Oh no, 1.07. Equals over that. So that's a 2% down, 2.2%, 1.2%, 1.8%. Sorry. I could see that happening tomorrow, but let's see how that goes. Well, I'll see y'all later. I'm not doing any projections today. I'm just getting a basic idea of the company and its financials and what their main expenses are, which being M&S, which is marketing and marketing expense. That's a pretty big expense. It's like 14% of their revenue, which I was not expecting to see. It's been a while since I've read their annual report. It's been like almost a year since I read their annual report because it came out last year. But I read their annual report for about 2 years though. The one before, the one last time. I'm excited to see the one in March, and I'm excited to see tomorrow's annual earnings. Tomorrow's earnings for the quarter. And the year's total earnings to see how the year is in the future and see how what their guidance might be. Considering China's boost in money supply, they're like pumping money to their economy like America was doing during COVID. Like since they're getting out of COVID, they're pumping money back into the economy to generate consumer spending, which I'm excited to see how that turns out for companies like Alibaba, JD, and Pinduoduo. Considering how in the news, JD and Pinduoduo are apparently gonna be in a price war, which is most likely gonna include Alibaba. So I'm interested to see how that turns out. All right, see you, Akash. See yourself tomorrow, or